It's the last day of Vlogmas. What are we going to do? It's New Year's Eve. Come on, 2022. Let's see what you've got. Okay, I don't know where that burst of energy came from. I am absolutely shattered. Still, we actually got to spend time with my mum and my baby sibling 2 days ago. We stayed over at my mum's, and then we saw the hubby's mum and his sibling, his sister, yesterday, and her family. So we've actually gotten to see some family this Christmas. Amazing. And yeah, so tired from that. That was a lot of driving. Can't believe it's New Year's Eve already. I'm working today. Hubby's gone off to play a bit of golf, although the golf courses have been closed because it's rained a lot and there's been a little bit of, the courses are a little bit waterlogged. So I think he's just gone to the driving range with a couple of friends. So I've got the house to myself. I mean, I'm working, but I've got the house to myself. So I'm trying to work out what to do today. I haven't been able to do the stencils for the nail varnish yet. I might try and do that a bit later, but what I really want to do today is set up my agenda for 2022, put in all the birthdays and the things I know about now. I'm going to be using my stickers that Autumn sent me. Very excited about that. Also, we are going to break open the beautiful fountain pen, the beautiful fountain pen Autumn sent me. I'm very excited about that. I've got some other colourful pens to use in the setup of my agenda. I did have to buy some new, just normal pens because I have written so many notes. I've caned through my first notebook already, 250 pages in the last 4 weeks taking notes for work, and yeah, so I had to get some new pens, but I shall be using my new fountain pen for setting up my agenda and my funny little colourful pens. Also, I am going to try and take the tray out of this to turn it into the little clutch bag. So very excited about that as well. What are you guys up to for New Year's Eve this evening? We're going to have a quiet one because it's one of our besties' birthdays tomorrow, and we're always trying to make New Year's Day about his birthday and not about New Year's Day, because it's a bit of a rubbish time to have a birthday, isn't it? Everyone's hungover all the time for your birthday. So I've got his prezzies to wrap downstairs. Need to do that as well. There is so much still to do. I took Miss Prada to our families, and I also wore my new crystal dune boots, combat boots. Oh my gosh, they were a bit of a talking point that you probably can imagine, but yeah, she's still fully loaded up, mask, little pouch for lady products and pills and things like that. So yeah, she's still fully loaded up. And I know I said I didn't have a 2022 planner for my YouTube videos, monthly to a view planner, but I forgot. I picked this one up at TK Maxx for about £1.25, so that was a bit of a bargain. And all it is, it's just a month view, which is perfect because then I'll just put my little sticky notes in there and move them around until I know exactly what is being launched when. And that leads me on to questions for subscribers. What do you think worked for my channel this year? Something worked for my channel this year because I hit 1,000 subscribers, which was amazing. I just can't believe it. So, reflecting on YouTube channel StyledByGwenny 2021, amazing achievement. Thank you very much, everyone, for helping me get there. I love you all. You know that. I say it all the time. I love you all. And thank you for enjoying my silliness, oddness, whatever this is. And I hope you continue to enjoy it into 2022. Now, I have been thinking, my channel's called Style by Gwenny. I haven't done a lot of styling stuff, so I really should get onto that. So maybe I should drop the Styled By. Who knows, maybe we should just go Gwenny. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I don't want to be doing false advertising. You see the name, Style by Gwenny. I'm going to come to you for styling advice. I got no styling advice. So, what did you think of Vlogmas? It was a bit rushed this year. I wasn't able to do the stuff that I wanted to do this year because I was ill, and I was very ill prepared as well for it. So I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you for bearing with me while I've been recovering from the horrible lurgy as well. I've still got the cough. I still don't have my sense of taste or smell fully back with me. That's really up and down. Some days I can taste stuff and smell stuff. Like, I shower every single day. I use the same shower gel every single day. Not every single day can I smell it when I'm in the shower. It's crazy. I might take a week off early doors in January, just to get my head together and actually do some planning of what we want to see in 2022. Now, I think we could expect to see a couple more unboxings than we did in 2021. I mean, I did get some really great stuff. So I did have some unboxings, and for that I'm very grateful. But let's face it, my wish lists have been pretty long. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see from my channel in 2022. Right, let's have a crack at this Dior clutch and see if we can get the actual makeup tray out of it without damaging anything. I think tweezers will be involved. Right, okay, I think we're in a position to try this. If you're in the UK, it looks like Boots might still have some of these available. I saw them online on the website. I hope the light's okay. I mean, that packaging. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Bit nervous. But this tray just sits in here. And I think, is this it? Oh, it's not. Let's take this off. Oh, I'm going to take it off. Yes, what's that? It must be it. Oh, sorry. Okay, alright, that's on a big padded bit there. So this, I'm going to keep this plastic cover on it to keep it from getting dusty and damaged and everything, but I think I'm going to put this in one of the drawers in my Perspex makeup drawer stack. So wowee! Look, it looks like it's got a lot of room in there now. That's my phone. Let's turn it that way around so you can see it a bit better. Look at the depth. It's still got lots of space left in there. Let's get a few things out of Miss Prada. It does just fit. The NARS is a square shaped lip balm, and actually it's not too big. Will it close? Because this is a little bit indented. It won't close with my big puffy card holder in there, but I wouldn't want to carry a card holder in this. Let's have a look at what I would want to carry. Do you know what? My phone's probably not going to be in there anyway. Let's take the phone out. Okay, so I'm going to put my Costco card in there. That's what a card would look like. Oh, you could even have it like that. Ah, oh, that looks much better. Let's see if it works with this lipstick in, because, oh, yes, it does shut. Oh, and actually, that feels magnetic. Interesting. So, yeah, that doesn't look like a problem at all. And let's see if this will fit in. Although this will be on my face unless I'm sitting down to eat. But it still closes. Oh, I'm well chuffed with that. Really, really chuffed with that. That carries what you need it to carry. And you got a mirror. That is very exciting. While we're here, let's have a look at this fountain pen. And let's get some ink in it. Oh, it's so beautiful, Autumn, really is. I haven't done this in years. I'm actually quite nervous. But we are... Okay, so this 2022 planner that I bought for my YouTube, planning out my videos and what day they're going to be on, actually started in August 2021. So let's use this as a... We have ink flow, look. Oh, I love the colour of the ink. Hello my fan dabbies. Oh, it feels lovely. It's a weighty pen. Very weighty. I'm now writing the word weighty. Oh, that is smooth. That's smooth with 7 or 8 O's. Yes, I'm very much enjoying this. There is something about a fountain pen that makes you write a little bit more fancy. Beautiful pen. Thank you, Autumn. I've made it to April in setting up 2022, but that's because I'm working as well today, and it's coming to the end of the working day, and I've just remembered we are going to a friend's house this evening, early doors, so we can be home early before midnight, and so I've only got half an hour to get this edited and uploaded. Eek! I had to get rid of some stuff out of this basket so I could put all of my treats. These are all my treats from Roberta and Autumn. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You should see what downstairs in the living room looks like. So I'm going to use this as our naughty treat bucket in the living room for the evenings when we fancy having a little bit of a nibble on something. See, it's all getting dark outside already, but it's getting lighter every day. Thank you, world. So I'm going to sign off here and say Happy New Year, everyone. Some of you will already be in 2022 by the time this video uploads at my usual time of 9 PM GMT. Today on New Year's Eve, 31st of December 2021. It's been a year. It's had some ups, it's had some downs. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, hasn't it? So I hope everyone has a lovely night, whether it's reflecting on the year that's gone, being positive. Let's be positive for 2022. And yeah, thank you again for all of your support throughout 2021. Absolutely love you guys. You're fabulous. You could even be described as fandabbies. I love you all. Take care. Happy 2022.